Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a significant event on the African continent. I'm talking about Zimbabwe taking over the SADC chairmanship this August. This move is not just a routine change, it's steeped in political maneuvers, development strides, and a bit of controversy. Let's unpack this, shall we? Zimbabwe's rise to the SADC chairmanship is a momentous occasion for the country. It comes on the heels of their general elections last year, which saw President Emmerson Mnangagwa re-elected amidst various challenges. Now, with this new role, Zimbabwe is set to direct the regional bloc's economic and political agendas. But why is this significant? Well, being at the helm of SADC means Zimbabwe will influence decisions that affect the entire southern African region, from trade policies to security issues. In preparation for their new role, Zimbabwe has been bustling. The country is scheduled to host the 44th SADC summit in August, and according to reports, they're pulling out all the stops. 5-star treatment for heads of state, upgraded facilities at top hotels like the Rainbow Towers and the Hyatt Regency, and much more. It seems Zimbabwe is keen to make a strong impression. But it's not all smooth sailing. The assumption of the SADC chairmanship has stirred some controversy. Critics argue that Zimbabwe's own internal issues, such as economic instability and political tensions, might affect its effectiveness as a leader in the region. Moreover, there's a lingering sentiment among some member states about the transparency and fairness of Zimbabwe's recent election, which some argue could undermine its leadership credibility. Despite these challenges, President Mnangagwa has been vocal about using this opportunity to strengthen Zimbabwe's ties within the continent and beyond. During his New Year's message, he emphasized that this role is both a recognition and an honor, showcasing Zimbabwe as a key player in regional diplomacy. As we approach the summit, all eyes will be on Zimbabwe. Will they manage to navigate their national controversies while steering the SADC? And what impacts will their chairmanship have on regional integration and cooperation? It's a story of celebration, preparation, and a bit of controversy. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be an interesting chapter in the story of Southern Africa. So stay tuned, and let's see how Zimbabwe takes on this significant but challenging role. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights into global developments. See you in the next video.